We are thanking Miss Felinor, our neighbor here in Golden Fields, for contacting this person who is now digging up the sidewalk because there's a big hole there, which is an opening of um, water drainage. But for many years, this opening has been filled up, I believe, with a lot of debris and garbage. So rainwater, no, rainwater on the road cannot easily get through. There's so much problem here sa road drainage here in Golden Fields. But because Felinor just arrived from Manila, so she was able to contact our friend here to see if he can enlarge the opening, get out all the garbage and debris. So we would like also to thank our barangay captain, the young man, Barangay Captain Distrito, for encouraging us to follow up with Mr. Johnny Lizares, the president of DALCO, so that DALCO will already make a deed of donation of this road lot, of these long road lots. There are two, no? The other one is very short road there beside Minerva Taxi. This one is much longer, so that if the title of these road lots are transferred to the city, then our city government can allocate a budget for the complete cleaning of this drainage system, and probably for the pavement, concreting and pavement of these roads, no? Medyo malaba ni siya nga dalan and has been neglected for many years already. Dalom gid siya. Padayon lang nga kutkot Arang pala o saron ang pala. Aring pala, no, kag binakuko nga binangon. Kabay pa maidiyahan gid ni kag masulbar ni. Na that's my ex-girlfriend Dina, also supervising the cleaning of the drainage. And that's Miss Felinor's beautiful home.